What's up, you guys? I'm back with another free sample video, and today we have the wireless vacuum cleaner. As you can see, it is 100% charged. It's been on the charging dock. What you do is you just lift it off. Okay, guys, so this is the vacuum. Power it on. It's level 1, level 2, and level 3. And it swivels. You see? Nice. I love it. I'm in love with it. So I'm going to link this product below. Click that orange shopping cart. Click that orange shopping cart and go get yourself one, because yes. Oh, hold up. Let me put it on 2. Alright. It is going to work. Yes. Alright, guys. Like I said. Dang, that's dirty. My carpet was dirty. Anyways, like I said, click that orange shopping cart below because you need one of these. Don't say you don't. Y'all have a good day.